I'm sure many of us Tesla owners have had a thought about possibility of installing solar panels on top of our Tesla roof and use the energy from solar panels to be able to power your Tesla. I even teased a video last year about a portable solar panel like this one and being able to store that energy in a battery and then potentially charge the Tesla. Well, it is an amazing idea. We haven't really had a practical application up until now. I was recently contacted by a company called EV Solar Kit, and they claim that they have a functional product that can use solar panels that are installed on top of your car and provide up to 60 miles of range. You can certainly purchase solar panels from Tesla and just install this on top of your home roof, and then also purchase a Powerwall where you can store that energy and then charge your Tesla using solar energy. That is not what we're talking about when I say solar roof today. What we're talking about here today is actually installing solar panels on top of your Tesla and being able to charge your Tesla using the sun's energy. Even Tesla themselves have teased this idea by filing a patent for the Cybertruck, where the Cybertruck might potentially come with solar panel in the back. Will that make it to the final production version? Only time will tell. So this is what the EV Solar Kit is offering. They say that you can install 400-watt panels on top of your panoramic Tesla roof, and then you can also get additional solar panels on the rear trunk well, where these are stackable panels, and you can get total 2,000 watt of solar energy, which is 2 kilowatt. On top of that, they plan on adding a 6 kilowatt battery so that you can store that solar energy when not in use, when you are not actively charging your Tesla using the solar panel. You can store that energy as an emergency backup supply. And they claim that that battery, the 6 kilowatt battery, will be able to hold up to 30 miles of range depending on your Tesla model. The battery will have a 110 as well as a 220 volt outlet, as well as some USB chargings on the side. So altogether, on the complete system, they think that they can get up to 60 miles of range, given that you leave your car in a direct sunlight for 6 hours a day. I don't have very much details on their technology, so I can't comment on if their claim is actually true or if the test data are showing all of those results. They did say that they have a functional product that works right now and the results are great, but I do not have further details on what the results are showing and how many miles they're actually getting. They do not have any pricing information. They anticipate the entire system to cost less than $5,000, but they are up and running in Indiegogo, which is a crowdsourcing platform where we have seen a lot of innovative products come out of Indiegogo. They don't have any pricing or anything yet. You can sign up to learn more about the product, but they do think that they can bring production next year for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So this is what I think about all of this. Well, it's a great concept, and something that we have all wondered over time. Can we do this? Can we not do this? There are even cars around the world that are coming up with, we're going to put solar panels all over our car to be able to produce that extra range for you. Time will tell the accurate results and the validation of all of that. I'm just really excited that somebody's talking about this, and EV Solar Kit is already bringing a product to the market, and they are going through their engineering processes to make sure that this product works. The idea here is not that you're going to offset 100% of your charging needs using solar panels. The idea is that can we offset even a little bit of the charging needs using solar panels and capture the sun's energy while you're driving, while you're parked. Some of us park for long hours in a direct sunlight. Can we harness that sun's energy and make it useful? This is a great solution for folks who camp a lot in their Tesla and who have access to bright sunlight. Like here in Colorado, we get a lot of sunlight throughout the year. So this is great for folks who go off-road, they go camping, and they want to have that access to range and energy, and you don't have a charging station nearby. So having that emergency backup supply, as well as being able to charge while your Tesla is just sitting somewhere in the sun, is a great benefit. I think that would be great for folks who go camping a lot. This is also a great practical application for folks who leave their cars in a direct sunlight, whether it is for work or you just don't park inside a garage and your car is just sitting in a direct sunlight for an extended period of time. Might as well turn that energy into a usable energy where you can charge your Tesla. If you have a short commute where you just drive a couple miles a day and you leave your car not in a garage but in an open area where there is a direct sunlight, then this is also a great application for you. You might be able to completely charge your car using solar energy because you're not driving a lot and you are consistently charging your car using solar energy every single day. However, there are certain things that I'm not sure about and I have some unanswered questions. First of all, the range that they are claiming sounds rather high, or at least on the upper limit of what we typically see in the market. You can't have 100% efficient solar panels, right? Especially when you are harnessing the raw energy from the sun and making it a usable energy where you can charge your car. In these days, in the current market, the max efficient panels I have seen are around 20% efficient. So even their 2000 watt system that they have planned, if it is a 20% efficient system, that is going to drop the range numbers that they are claiming currently. So I don't know how that technology is going to work, what type of efficiency they expect to get from the solar panels. So there's a lot of unanswered questions, but that range number does seem to be on more of a higher limit. I'm also not sure about the charging situation here. I can see how they can, charge the battery using the solar panels or the inverter, and you can plug in your charger to the inverter or the battery and then route that cable and then where you can just plug in your Tesla like normally. I can see that happening. That is pretty practical. However, I am a little concerned about being able to charge the car while driving. They say that they are gonna connect this somehow to the internal charging mechanism and be able to charge the car while driving using the solar panels. Are they going to connect this to the back of the charge port? Are they going to connect the charger to the main high power voltage supply? There's a lot of unanswered questions that I still do not know, and I plan to find that out as the product becomes more available or they do their engineering due diligence and figure out. I don't think they know how exactly they are going to connect this charger, but that is a little concerning to me. They said that customers should be able to do this on their own, but connecting such high power system, I feel like Tesla is going to freak out. The Tesla screen is probably going to conflict between, are you plugging into the wall? How are you able to charge while driving? On the other hand, this could be like a regenerative charging, right? When you are braking, your car's battery is also charging at the same time. But there's a lot of things to think about for sure. One of the drawbacks of this approach would be that you would lose that wide panoramic view from your Tesla if you're blocking the view with solar panels. So if you enjoy stargazing or seeing the wide view where it's super clear and you can see the sky while driving, you're not going to be able to see that if you install solar panels on top of your Tesla. As you can see, this concept is still in a very early age. This is a startup company and they're still figuring out their engineering and how they're going to bring this product to the market. So there's a lot of unanswered questions I still have. But I did wanted to bring this video out to you to get the conversation going, get the debate going of how practical is this. So please do me a favor and write your comments in the comment section. Let me know, would you pay for this system? Would you install this system on top of your Tesla? Do you think we can practically get the range, 30 to 60 miles per day that they are claiming? I can see that happening in certain sunny areas like Colorado or California or Florida where there's a lot of suns all year round. But is this really a practical solution worldwide? Any thoughts that you have about this system, please do me a favor and let me know in the comment section below. I'm really interested on knowing your feedback about, does this product have a practicality in Tesla market? And do you see yourself charging your car using solar panels that are installed on top of your Tesla? I will keep you all updated on this product as it makes progress, and if this product ever comes out in the market where I can get my hands on installing the product. I do hope I get to install this product in the future when it is fully produced, when it's in the mainstream market, so that I can test it out and I can share my honest opinion about the actual product with you guys. But until then, stay tuned for more updates about this product and many other Tesla products that are coming to my channel. I really, really appreciate your continued support. I'll be back with another Tesla video soon. Namaste.